Welcome to another edition with Winnie Honor. I remain your math teacher. So today we're looking at simple equations. Simple equation is same as open sentences. So for question 1, we have 4b plus 6 is equal to 26. We are finding b. The situation here is to find b. This is what we are looking for. What exactly is this b? So we add this 4 to give whatever this b is plus 6 is going to give us 26. So b on its own is a hidden number. So to find b, step 1, we are going to pick like terms. Pick like terms in short form is PLT. Pick like terms. Pick like terms in short form is PLT. So we have 4b plus 6 is equal to 26. This is a number without a letter. This is another number without a letter. These two are related. They are like terms because they are both numbers without letters. Unlike this 4 is attached to a letter. So this is not same with them. These two are like terms. They are like terms because they are numbers without letters. So we are picking like terms in the sense that we are going to push this plus 6 over here to meet 26, to meet its like term. So going for that, we have 4b is equal to 26 minus 6. That is, when you move your plus over equals to, when you move it over this equal to sign, it becomes minus. So 26 minus 6. So 4b is equal to 26 minus 6 is 20. So find b. We are still looking for b. So when you have 4b is equal to 20, step 2, we are going to divide both sides by whatever it is that is preventing b from being on its own. We'll divide it by 4. Because 4 is what is preventing b from being on its own, we are dividing both sides by 4. So that will be 4b is equal to 20. Divide here by 4 and divide here by 4. Why are we using 4? Because it is 4 that is attached to the b. That is why we use 4 to divide both sides. So 4 cancel 4 is 1. 4 cancel 4 is 1. Then 4 here is 1. 4 in 20 is 5. So b is 5. B is equal to 5. How true? Let's look at the how true. How true is it that b is equal to 5? How true? So anywhere we see b, we are going to put 5. So back to the question 4. B is supposed to be here. Don't forget that b now is 5. So plus 6 is equal to 26. Bracket means times. So 4 times 5 plus 6. Is it true that it is 26? Of course it's true. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 6 is actually 26. That is true that b is 5. Now for question 2, you have 8b plus 2 is equal to 82. We are finding b again. B is supposed to be a number. It's hidden, so we are finding it. So the step 1, first thing to do is to pick like terms. Pick like terms. This is 2. This is 82. These are numbers without letters. So this is what we are moving this way. So we are moving plus 2 over to this place, over here. So that will be 8b is equal to 82. Don't forget, when it has plus sign in front, the moment it crosses over this equal to sign, it becomes minus 2. So 8b, 82 minus 2, of course, is 80. We have not yet found b. B is still hidden. So step 2, what do? We divide both sides. Divide both sides by whatever number is preventing b from being on its own. And in this situation, it's 8 that is preventing b from being on its own. So that will be 8b is equal to 80. Divide both sides by 8 because it is 8 that is preventing this b from being on its own. Cancel here, 8 cancel 8. Now 8 here is 1. 8 in 8 is 1, then 0. So b is 10. How true? Let's find out. How true is it that b is equal to 10? So our question again is 8b plus 2 is equal to 82. Anywhere we see b, we'll put 10. So 8, then b is 10 plus 2. Is it true that is 82? Bracket means times. 8 times 10 plus 2 is, of course, is 82, because 8 times 10 is 80 plus 2. We are right if we say that B is 10. Now for C, you have 5C minus 6 is equal to 9. Step 1, we have to pick like terms. Pick like terms. So we are moving this minus 6 over to his brother. So you have 5C is equal to 9. Don't forget that when your minus sign crosses over the equal to sign, becomes the opposite. So when minus 6 goes over here, it becomes plus 6. So 5C is equal to 9 plus 6 is 15. Now C is still hidden. Step 2, to find C, we have to divide both sides. Divide both sides by whatever number is preventing C from being on its own, and that is 5. So 5C is equal to 15. Divide both sides by 5. 5 here is 1, 5 here is 1, 5 here is 1, 5 here is 3. C is 3. How true? How true is it that C is 3? So anywhere we see C, we are going to put 3. 5, open bracket, 3 minus 6. Is it true that it is 9? 5 times 3 is 15. 15 take away 6, of course, it is 9. That means C is actually 3.